With you 5 tips of things you could do to actually sew and make money for a beginner. I'm so excited to share with you. It's just part of the whole business thing, or making money, generating money with your skills, and starting off with what you know right now and your level of experience. So this is for beginners. I'm going to share with you 5 different things you could do that you can make up and you can sell right now, and still feel absolutely confident to sell it and to know you're going to make money. So the first one would be, you could make some tote bags. And with the tote bags, you can make it in a plain fabric, you could do prints on them, you can do individual names printed on them, or custom sort of colors of tote bags for clients, or you can even maybe go and sell it to a shop. Or, it's a small sort of shop that wants little gifts that they can actually sell to their customers. Well, this is Tania Sutherland, and I'm a fashion designer. I've done image styling, I'm a pattern maker, I'm an entrepreneur, and I've put all these years of my experience into packages, into products, into courses to help you to enhance your skills, whether you're sewing for yourself, creating your own wardrobe, or whether you're taking it to that next step and you're actually turning this into a business, as making products to sell, or you are doing custom designs for clients or boutiques, etc. So if you like this kind of knowledge that I'm sharing with you, how about helping me to grow my algorithms by pressing the like button and share this, as well as to press the subscribe button, because every Friday I bring out a new video, anything about sewing, planning your sewing, turning your sewing into a business, courses that I offer, etc., etc. So see you then. The other one would be, I really feel a beginner would be able to do this, is to make some kitchen aprons and maybe little mittens. That is still an easy project to do, and you can custom color them according to someone's decor in their kitchen, or keep it very classic. This could be great gifts to give to friends as well as to sell. So this is definitely something you could do with confidence. The other the same line as aprons, what about making aprons and like a little elasticated sleeve for art students? Because when you're doing art, you definitely need to have an apron. I know when I do my paintings, I need to wear an apron, because without a doubt, I'm going to mess my oil paints on my garments, because it's going to happen. Okay, Picasso wasn't all neat and perfect. He was all over the place. I could just imagine what his studio must have looked like. That's just part of being an artist. So that's definitely something that you could sell to art schools, or to the... Going back to something very similar as the tote bag, you could make little cosmetic bags. It's a very simple process, just putting a zip in, and you could make either a cosmetic bag or a stationery bag, or just like a little little bag where you can keep all your cables and your cords in, or just whatever little accessories you have. That is definitely something that you could also sell, and you can maybe make a pack or a set matching your tote bag with a little cosmetic bag or a little accessory bag to go inside the tote bag as a set, and sell it together. So there are so many things you could do. Have a look at what you are capable of doing right now. You can even do hair scrunchies. You could make scarves. You can do shawls. It's just about keeping it very simple, You don't have to think too big and too advanced and too complicated. You will get there. So I hope this has inspired you to look at what sort of skills and knowledge you have right now, and that you will be confident enough to actually take on a project like this, make a couple of samples, put it onto Instagram or Facebook, or show your friends, take some photos and say, this is my prototype. Would anyone be interested in buying them? This is approximately the price that I am structuring. Obviously, you'd work out your price according to your fabric. And don't forget to add in your labor, which is because you're making it. It doesn't mean that this is just a hobby, this is for fun. This will be a business because you want to generate income for yourself. Use what you have and plan it well. Look at what accessories you got, notions you have, trimmers you have, and use them. Use what you've got. And you can always say this is a limited designer collection. Once this collection is over, there will be a new one coming out, so you can use the materials that you have, and the next one you can do more of a strategy planning, going to buy exactly the material that you want, keeping in mind you're going to make 5 of them or 10 of them.